ElectraCast.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for February 24th, 2026.
NASA shared multiple updates on February 24th covering Earth science, technology, planetary research, human spaceflight, and upcoming launches. On February 19th, 2026, spiral cloud patterns formed near Jeju Island, South Korea, as steady winds between 11 and 34 miles per hour passed Rafelson volcano. The interaction created atmospheric eddies known as von Karman vortex streets. The scene was captured by the moderate-resolution imaging spectroradiometer aboard NASA's Terra satellite. The image also showed turbulent seas and a large winter sediment plume drifting from Jiangsu province, China, caused by seasonal ocean current shifts and vertical mixing that spread sediment across coastal waters. In technology, work that began in the early 1990s at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory led to the first complementary metal oxide semiconductor active pixel image sensor. Engineer Rafelson adapted noise reduction methods from charge-coupled devices to create a low-power, radiation-tolerant design. After co-founding Photobit in 1995, the technology expanded into consumer and scientific use. Today, about 7 billion of these sensors are produced annually and are used in smartphones, webcams, medical instruments, automotive systems, and NASA missions, including Parker Solar Probe, Perseverance, and Europa Clipper. Fossum received the 2026 Charles Stark Draper Prize from the National Academy of Engineering. The James Webb Space Telescope provided the first vertical view of Uranus's ionosphere, revealing auroras shaped by its tilted and offset magnetic field and confirming continued atmospheric cooling since the 1990s. Scientists say the findings improve understanding of ice giant planets and giant planets beyond our solar system. NASA's Plankton, Aerosol, Cloud, Ocean Ecosystem satellite can now measure nitrogen dioxide pollution using its Ocean Color instrument. It can identify emission sources as small as factories and highway corridors. The data product, enhanced using Sentinel-5P information, is available through NASA Earth Data. Aboard the International Space Station, the Expedition 74 crew is preparing a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft for departure while continuing biomedical and physics research. NASA is also planning to roll the Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft for Artemis II back to the Vehicle Assembly Building to address a helium flow issue and replace batteries. A recent study using NASA Black Marble nighttime imagery found artificial light can extend pollen seasons up to 300 days in bright cities, compared to 170 to 210 days in darker regions. NASA also released a calibrated dataset of 52,469 images from 143 observatories documenting the April 8, 2024 total solar eclipse. Finally, a Rocket Lab suborbital rocket is scheduled to launch February 25th from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. Those were the key activities for NASA on February 24th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily updates or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Delilah Sperrazza. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
LifeLock, how can I help?
The IRS said I filed my return.
But I haven't.
1 in 4 tax-paying Americans has paid the price of identity fraud.
What do I do?
My refund, though.
I'm freaking out.
Don't worry, I can fix this.
LifeLock fixes identity theft guaranteed and gets your money back with up to $3 million in coverage.
I'm so relieved.
No problem. I'll be with you every step of the way.
1 in 4 was a fraud-paying American. Not anymore. Save up to 40% your first year. Visit LifeLock.com/podcast. Terms apply.
ElectraCast.